In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly edit family photos with Luminar AI. Whether it's birthdays, holidays, or everyday moments, this workflow will help you polish your photos fast while keeping everything looking natural. Start by opening Luminar AI and importing your images. Click Add Photos and select the family pictures you want to work on. Luminar AI is non-destructive, so your originals stay safe, and you can edit JPEGs or RAW files without worry. Once your images load, you're ready to give them a quick, unified look. Head to the Templates tab. Templates are one-click styles that analyze your photo's tones and subject to suggest a fitting look. Browse the suggestions, pick one that matches the mood you're after, and apply it. If the effect feels too heavy, reduce its strength for a subtler result. This step instantly improves color, contrast, and overall mood, and it sets the foundation for consistent edits across a whole set. Move into the Edit tab and open Enhance AI. Drag the slider to the right to let Luminar intelligently balance exposure, shadows, contrast, color, and detail in one move. A little goes a long way here. Nudge it until the image feels lively, but still true to life. This is the fastest way to get a polished base without manual tweaking. For portraits, take advantage of the Portrait AI tools. Use Skin AI to gently smooth skin and reduce blemishes while preserving natural texture, especially helpful for kids and group shots. Then use Face AI to brighten faces and eyes, whiten teeth, and reduce dark circles. These adjustments are automatic, require no masking, and work best when kept subtle so people still look like themselves. If you want the subject to stand out more, try Portrait Bokeh AI to add a soft background blur. Adjust intensity and refine edges so hair and clothing look clean. If faces are shaded or the scene is backlit, use Relight AI to fine-tune foreground and background lighting separately. This helps balance the photo without complicated layering. Clean up distractions with the Erase tool. Paint over small background clutter, power lines, or an accidental photobomber, then apply. A quick cleanup makes your photo feel more professional and keeps attention on your family. When one photo looks just right, save time by applying those adjustments to the rest. Right-click its thumbnail, choose Apply Adjustments To, and select the other images. You'll get consistent color and tone across the whole set, and you can still fine-tune individual shots afterward. Finally, click Export. Choose JPEG for sharing or printing, set a preset size like 1080 pixels for social media, and use a quality setting around 80 to 90% for web and email. That's it. Fast, friendly edits with beautiful results.